Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix apps not opening on Windows 11 and solve app problems on Windows 11. This issue may occur due to incorrect registry settings or corrupted executable files. Step 1. Open Registry Editor. Open Search menu, type Regedit, and press Enter. If prompted by User Account Control UAC, click Yes. Step 2. Backup the registry. In the Registry Editor, click File, Export. Choose a location, name the file, select All in Export Range, then click Save. To restore later, go to File, Import, and select the backup file. Step 3. Edit registry keys. Navigate to hikey_classes_root.exe. Double-click Default on the right panel and set value data to exafile. Click OK to save. Navigate to hke_classes_root exafile. Double-click Default and set value data to application. Click OK to save. Expand hke_classes_root exafile shell open. Double-click Default on the right and make sure value data is empty. Click OK to save and close the Registry Editor. Restart your computer to apply the changes. After restarting, apps and games should open normally. If issues persist, consider updating Windows or reinstalling the affected applications.